On behalf of the ICF, on behalf of the coaching community globally, and on behalf of humanity that's looking up to coaching as the sacred service that we all need today, we now arrive at a special moment in our gathering, recognizing the exceptional achievements of our 2024 ICF Coaching Impact Award winners.
When I found out that we won the ICF Impact Award, it was wow.
It's a wow factor to me. This was awesome.
We got it.
I was so excited that I couldn't sleep the whole night.
I just wanted to go up on the roof and scream. I just took a deep breath and I said, yes, this is it. And it was a beautiful moment.
This is an award that is all about the collective coaching force.
Coaching can shift the world. The world is at a tipping point. People need us. We can change the world one conversation at a time.
Coaching does really help, especially such as a fragile community. As a refugee, we are facing plenty of obstacles, and I think coaching saved us.
In our refugee population, the impact is on their families, on their communities of helping them resettle. It's a huge ripple effect.
So when you coach, from a ripple effects of coaching, when you are coaching, you are touching lives, and those lives are also in turn touching many more lives.
It's reverberating and it doesn't stop. Giving the best of who they are through the coaching, that gives permission for others to do the same. And so the ripple effect is ongoing, far beyond where we think we can reach.
For coaching at MD Anderson, it was an evolution, and it took time to get to that point where everyone wants a coach now. But the reason why we did it and we invested in it, because it's proven to be effective to help leaders grow and empower their own direct reports.
My message to the world as an ICF Impact Award winner: live your life with purpose, and coaching is one of my ways.
I'd like to take coaching to the world by creating more competent and courageous coaches. And I'd like to bring the world to coaching by creating awareness about the power of coaching. When they become better leaders through adopting a coaching mindset, they lift up everybody in their charge.
The ICF has really done such a great job of supporting all coaches. So I've been dedicated and a passionate advocate for the ICF for years because I've worked hard, but the benefit is they've worked hard for me, and I so appreciate that.